Rivers are vital lifelines that play a crucial role in sustaining ecosystems, economies, and livelihoods across India. With a rich network of rivers flowing through its vast landscape, India's rivers are of immense importance for various reasons. Here are 8 key reasons highlighting the importance of rivers in India. 1. Source of water supply. Rivers serve as the primary source of fresh water for drinking, agriculture, industry, and domestic use across India. They provide water for irrigation, which is essential for sustaining agricultural production and ensuring food security for millions of people. 2. Hydropower generation. Many rivers in India have the potential for hydropower generation. Hydroelectric dams and power plants harness the energy of flowing water to generate electricity, contributing to India's energy needs and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. 3. Biodiversity hotspots. Rivers support diverse ecosystems, including wetlands, forests, and aquatic habitats, which are home to a wide range of plant and animal species. They serve as important biodiversity hotspots, harboring endemic and migratory species of flora and fauna. 4. Transportation and trade. Rivers serve as natural transportation routes, facilitating the movement of goods, people, and commodities. Inland waterways provide a cost-effective and environmentally friendly mode of transport, supporting trade and commerce in both rural and urban areas. 5. Cultural and spiritual significance. Rivers hold immense cultural and spiritual significance in Indian society. Many rivers, such as the Ganges, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra, are revered as sacred by millions of people and play a central role in religious rituals, festivals, and ceremonies. 6. Tourism and recreation. India's rivers attract millions of tourists each year, offering opportunities for recreational activities such as boating, rafting, fishing, and wildlife viewing. Riverbanks and waterfronts serve as popular tourist destinations, contributing to local economies through tourism-related activities. 7. Flood control and management. Rivers play a critical role in regulating water flow and preventing floods during monsoon seasons. Floodplains and wetlands act as natural buffers, absorbing excess water and reducing the risk of inundation in downstream areas. 8. Groundwater recharge. Rivers recharge groundwater aquifers through natural processes such as infiltration and percolation.